Good morning, students. Chapter 4, Working of Institution. Topic for today is two houses of parliament. As we have already discussed, parliament is the supreme political authority of India, which is responsible for framing new laws, abolishing existing laws, and amend the existing laws. Parliament is further divided into Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and today we'll discuss about the difference between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The first difference with reference to representation of nominated members. President of India nominate two members from Anglo-Indian community if they are not adequately represented in Lok Sabha. But in case of Rajya Sabha, the president nominate 12 members from people who have special knowledge and practical experience in art, literature, science, or social science. I mean, these members, nominated members, can be the part of parliament without the process of election. Second difference is on the basis of representation of states. In Lok Sabha, members are directly elected by the people from their territorial constituencies in the state. But in Rajya Sabha, members are elected by the elected member of the state legislative assembly. To explain this, I will quote an example. You elected your MLA from a particular constituency, right? In the same manner, the MLA from a particular state nominate members for Rajya Sabha. So indirectly people are electing, because people are electing their MLA and MLAs are electing their members to represent in Rajya Sabha. Now, if we talk about the comparison between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha is called the House of People and Rajya Sabha is the Council of States. If we talk about the meaning of the name, Lok Sabha is called House of People because people who are qualified to vote can elect their representative by way of direct election. Rajya Sabha is called Council of States because where the representatives are indirectly elected by the people or elected by the elected representative of the assemblies of state and UTs. That I have already told you. What is the tenure of the house? Lok Sabha, it continues for 5 years, and Rajya Sabha, it is a permanent body. It cannot be dissolved. Who heads the house? In Lok Sabha, it is the speaker. In Rajya Sabha, the vice president of India act as the chairman of the house. Minimum age to become a member for Lok Sabha is 25 years and for Rajya Sabha it is 30 years. What is the strength of the house? 552 members for Lok Sabha and 250 members for Rajya Sabha. And the last, what are the functions of the house? All the bills except money bill can introduced either in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. But when we talk about money bill, it can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. That's all in this video. I hope you can now differentiate between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Thank you so much. Take care, study well.